Welcome to the lecture number 5 of unit number 1. Question is, form the PDE by eliminating arbitrary function z is equal to xy plus f of x square plus y square. Again here we have one arbitrary function, so we get first order PDE. Then second equation is z is equal to x square plus 2f 1 by y plus log of x. So again one arbitrary function, we get one first order PDE. Then third is xyz is equal to phi of x plus y plus z. So again phi is arbitrary function here, so first order PDE. Next last example is z is equal to f of x plus ay and plus g of x minus ay. So here we have two arbitrary function f and g. So here we get PDE of order greater than 1. So we solve one by one. First example is z is equal to xy plus f of x square plus y square. Now in previous lecture we have seen examples only for function z and function. So here some more terms are added here. So how to solve that this type of differential equation, this type of equation to get partial differential equation. So first differentiate with respect to x and then differentiate with respect to y. So differentiate with respect to x, del z by del x. It is equal to derivative of xy with respect to x. So x derivative is 1, remaining is y, plus f dash of x square plus y square multiplied by derivative of x square plus y square with respect to x. So derivative of x square is 2x and y square become 0. Now del z by del x is p. So p is equal to y plus 2x multiplied by, simply I am writing here f dash instead of writing whole term, 2x f dash. So can we write this as p minus y divided by 2x is equal to f dash. So we can write in this way also. Next, second, differentiate with respect to y. So del z by del y. Del z by del y, it is equal to derivative of xy with respect to y. So x as it is, y derivative is 1, plus f dash of x square plus y square multiplied by derivative of x square with respect to y is 0 and derivative of y square with respect to y is 2y. So del z by del y is q is equal to x plus 2y multiplied by f dash of x square plus y square, or simply you can write f dash here. So q minus x divided by 2y, this is equal to f dash. In this way also we can write. So this is equation number 2 and 1 and 2. Now if we divide 1 and 2, this f dash will get eliminated. That we want to eliminate here because it is an arbitrary function. So divide 1 by 2. So p minus y divided by 2x whole divided by q minus x divided by 2y is equal to f dash divided by f dash. So this f dash get cancelled. Remaining is p minus y divided by 2x is equal to, this is p by q is equal to 1. So this is equal to q minus x divided by 2y. So this 2 get cancelled, multiplied by y. So y multiplied by p minus y is equal to x multiplied by q minus x. Simplify it, it is py minus y square is equal to xq minus x square. So you can write this as py minus xq is equal to y square minus x square. So this is a partial differential equation after eliminating arbitrary function. Second example is xyz is equal to phi of x plus y plus z. So to eliminate this phi, we differentiate first with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x and here differentiate with respect to y. So differentiation of x, y, z, where z is dependent variable which depends on x and y. So with respect to x, y is constant term. So we keep it as it is. Then a derivative of x into z. So we have to use here product rule. X into derivative of z with respect to x is del z by del x plus z into derivative of x, which is 1, is equal to phi dash of x plus y plus z multiplied by, in bracket, derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is 0, and derivative of z is del z by del x. So this is the derivative of x y z and is equal to phi of x y z with respect to x. Similar derivative we will get with respect to y, but first we simplify this. Y multiplied by xp plus z is equal to 1 plus, this is phi dash multiplied by 1 plus del z by del x is p. So 1 plus p. Similarly, differentiate with respect to y. With respect to y, x is a constant term. Y into z, find out product rule, use product rule. So y into del z by del y plus z into derivative of y is 1 is equal to phi dash of x plus y plus z multiplied by 1, derivative of x is 0, derivative of y is 1, and derivative of z is del z by del y. So this is x multiplied by yq plus z is equal to phi dash multiplied by 1 plus q. So this is another equation. Now we want phi dash, so simply we write, shift this 1 plus p on left hand side, y multiplied by xp plus z divided by 1 plus p is equal to phi dash, and here also it is x multiplied by yq plus z divided by 1 plus q is equal to phi dash. Now equating equation number 1 and 2, equating equation 1 and 2, 1 is equal to 2, 1 divide 2. You can do both, 1 is equal to 2, so you can equate 1 and 2 also, or 1 divide 2. So both the terms are same, so we can equate it. Y into xp plus z divided by 1 plus p is equal to x into yq plus z divided by 1 plus q. Now cross multiply and simplify. It is 1 plus q multiplied by y multiplied by xp plus z is equal to x into yq plus z multiplied by 1 plus p. So already it is in simplified form. Just we write first y as it is, xp plus yz, xp plus z into 1 plus q is equal to x into yq plus z multiplied by 1 plus p. So this is the differential equation which we obtained after eliminating phi. Next, third question is z is equal to x square plus 2f multiplied by 2f of 1 by y plus log of x. So here first find out derivative with respect to x, so differentiate with respect to x. Now del z by del x equal to derivative of x square is 2x plus 2 as it is, derivative of f is f dash of 1 by y plus log of x multiplied by derivative of 1 by y with respect to x, it is 0, and derivative of log x with respect to x is 1 by x. Next, simplify it. It is del z by del x is p. Del z by del x is p is equal to 2x plus 2 times f dash divided by x. Second, differentiate partially with respect to. Next, differentiate partially with respect to y. With respect to y. So this is del z by del y is equal to derivative of x square is 0, derivative of f 2 into f dash of 1 by y plus log of x multiplied by derivative of 1 by y with respect to y is minus 1 upon y square, and derivative of log x become 0. So this is q is equal to 2 f dash with negative sign divided by y square. Now find out f dash from here and substitute in this equation. So you can simplify this, multiply it by x. So px is equal to 2x square plus 2f dash. Now px minus 2x square is equal to 2f dash. This is one equation. And here y square into q is equal to minus 2f dash. So minus, if we take here, this become plus. This is equation number 2. Now equating 1 and 2, we get px minus 2x square is equal to minus of y square into q. Px minus 2x square is equal to minus of y square into q. Okay, so this is px plus y square into q is equal to 2x square. So this is the differential equation which we obtain after eliminating given arbitrary function. Now fourth question is z is equal to f of x plus ay plus g of x minus ay. Now here, if we observe it carefully, we have two arbitrary functions. So we get partial differential equation of higher order. So first differentiate with respect to x. What is derivative of z? It is del z by del x. It is equal to derivative of f is f dash of x plus ay plus g dash of x minus ay. This is 1. Again find out its derivative, because derivative of x plus ay is 1. Derivative of x minus ay is 1. So differentiate again partially with respect to x. So del 2z by del x square is equal to f double dash plus g double dash, because derivative of f is f double dash and derivative of g dash is g double dash, and derivative of x plus ay is 1 and derivative of x minus ay is 1. So del 2z by del x square, is nothing but r, and it is equal to f double dash plus g double dash. Similarly, we try to differentiate with respect to y. So differentiate with respect to y. So del z by del y, it is equal to derivative of f is f dash of x plus ay multiplied by, here derivative of x is 0 and derivative of ay is a, plus g dash of x plus x minus ay multiplied by derivative of x minus ay is minus a. Next, again we differentiate this partially with respect to y. So del 2z by del y square, it is equal to, already we have one a, f dash or f double dash of x plus ay multiplied by, again derivative is a, so a into a become a square, plus g double dash of x minus ay multiplied by minus a, already we have, again its derivative is minus a, so minus a into minus a is minus a square. So this is del 2z by del y square is t. T is equal to a square f double dash plus minus of a square is again a square g double dash. So we can take a square common f double dash plus g double dash. This is the value of t, and r value is f double dash plus g double dash. So from 1 and 2, we can write it as t is equal to a square into f double dash plus g double dash, and we know that f double dash into g double dash is r. So we get t is equal to a square into r. What is t? T is a second order derivative del 2z by del y square, and r is also del 2z by del x square. So we get partial differential equation of order 2. This is a PDE of order 2 after eliminating two arbitrary function f and g. Thank you.